Hey everybody, Phil here. Thanks for tuning in to my Giant Killer Robot project video number 2. I know it's been a while since the last one, but it's taken a while to get the work done. So let's have a look and see what I have. Don't have a lot of time here. We got some weather coming. So, as you can see, I've got the top done. Mostly, anyway. I've got a lot of welding to do on it yet, but it's all tacked together anyway. Just got a few little bits to close up there on the right there and there. It's all galvanized stuff on the top, that's why it's so shiny. A lot of welding to do around there yet to close it all up. Pretty happy with the way the back turned out there. Just kind of turned out that way. And I've been thinking a lot about the weapon systems and that are going to be on it. I've also got the upper arms done. They're going to poke right on the end of there. The shoulder joint and the upper arm. They're not done, but they're on their way anyway. Okay, so as far as weapons go, there's big traps up there. Oh yeah. And pretty good lat spread there too. So anyway, weapons. So I decided that since it'd be neat to have it as part of somebody's security system, and you could have cameras up in the head there, that the head would have to be mobile for that. So I will make the head movable. So for weapons up top, I'm going to put 2 medium caliber gattling guns. They'll be coaxial mounted, which means both those guns will point at the same target. And then I'll have them hooked up at via a steering mech on the back of the head, so wherever the head looks, both guns will point. And then the ammo for those guns will be right on the back there. I'm going to close the back in. I've got those panels cut, I just don't have them welded in yet. So the ammo boxes for, or dispensing units for those 2 Gatling guns up on the shoulders, those will be on the back here. Be like a couple of lugs on the bottom that you just hook it on, and then we'll bolt in at the top. So the right side arm, the one that's going to be down, that's going to have like a 30 or 40 millimeter grenade gun or cannon on that arm, and depending on what material I end up finding for it. And the ammo drums for that gun, the grenade gun, will be stored on the left leg so that the left arm can load that gun. And then the right arm that'll be holding up the light lance at this stage of the game anyway, will be a little mini gun, small caliber Gatling gun. And the ammo for that one will be on the right leg, so the right arm can service that gun. Want to put rockets on the backs of the triceps of each arm. Should be able to get 4 to 6 of them on there. Be some like sunburst type blinding ones, and some EMP rockets on the other arm. So as well, I mean, he's going to run out of ammo eventually, so both forearms will have great big honking blades that will be retracted up until the time as he needs those. and then they'll come out and lock into place. I also put these deflectors on the legs since last time, and there's some on the bottom as well, or on the back, sorry. These ones I may just close in that back, or I may put some like vents or like little rocket type vents or something, not quite sure. There's the old compartment everybody opens on the back of the robot to shut them down. They have them. So that's probably the main thing for weaponry on there that I'll be having, other than like little tactical nukes, little grid square candles, I'll call them. He'll have a couple of them on the back, or on his back. So that's it for now anyway. I mean, that'll give me plenty to do. It's not going very quick, but I'm still happy with the results thus far. Hopefully you guys are. If you are, let me know what you think. Good or bad, whatever. So yeah, like I said in the first video, he's going to be holding up a big light lance. At least if we're out on the acreage here, I mean, that probably makes the most sense. But I mean, if someone was in the market for a giant killer robot, I mean, this guy could be holding pretty much anything. Could be holding a big ass rocket launcher, or a plasma rifle, some kind of fusion cannon, perhaps a big ass battle bow. Oh yeah, battle bow. He could be holding the sword of Shannara for all I care. And for Conan fans, in one arm he could be holding the scrolls of Skelos, and in the other arm he could be holding the horn of Dagoth. Can you dig it? Or for Orson Scott Card fans, he could be holding a gun in one hand and a copy of Speaker for the Dead in his other hand. Sky's the limit at this point. So anyway, let me know what you think. Hopefully you like it. Let me know one way or the other. Have a good one.